Green plants are a unique creation of nature. Unlike animals, they can very well prepare their own food. And what is this process called? Yes, it's called the process of photosynthesis. Now, the question is that how do they perform this process? Let's understand the requirements for this process first. There are three major things that plants need in this process: carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Plants synthesize their food in the form of a sugar. This sugar is the glucose produced in the plants. However, apart from these three major factors, there are a few more important ones also in the list. Yes, these are the minerals present in the soil. But wait a second. We know that photosynthesis occurs in the green leaves of the plants, whereas the minerals are present in the soil. So who makes this transport possible? Well, the minerals are transported after they're dissolved in water. So what are the major components required for photosynthesis? One of them is carbon dioxide, which is obtained from air. Next, it's light, which is obtained from the sun. Then there's water, which is absorbed through the roots. And important minerals are obtained through soil after being dissolved in the absorbed water. But what exactly is the role of these minerals? These minerals are like nutrients for plants. Nutrients are substances that are needed to maintain the plant body and help them do all its life processes. And we know that these are obtained from the soil. Now, what will happen if the soil lacks these nutrients? If any of the nutrients are not present, then a plant won't grow to its full potential. And what do we mean by this? It simply means that the plant will suffer from certain deficiencies. It will not grow normally and will have defective parts or systems. Now tell me, are all these nutrients available in the soil? Well, sometimes they're not. In that case, we can add them artificially. What do we call them then? These are called as fertilizers. In simple words, fertilizers are chemicals that increase the soil fertility and the nutrient content in the soil. Now that we know what all the plants need, we can move on to the next question we have. How exactly do these plants prepare their food? How does the beautiful process of photosynthesis work? We will answer these questions in the coming lessons.